This video is about the concept of social interaction, so don't skip it and must watch complete video. Social interaction refers to the exchange of communication, behaviors, and emotions between individuals or groups within a social context. It encompasses various forms of human interaction, from simple everyday conversations to complex social dynamics within groups or societies. Social interaction plays a crucial role in shaping individual identity, relationships, and cultural norms. Key aspects of social interaction include 1. Communication. Communication is central to social interaction. It involves the exchange of verbal and nonverbal cues, such as speech, gestures, facial expressions, and body language. Effective communication facilitates the sharing of information, ideas, emotions, and intentions between individuals.
Reciprocity. Social interaction often involves a reciprocal exchange between individuals, where each participant responds to the actions or signals of others. This reciprocal process helps establish rapport, build trust, and maintain social bonds. 3. Roles and norms. Social interaction is influenced by social roles, expectations, and norms that guide behavior within a particular group or society. Individuals typically conform to these social conventions to facilitate smooth interactions and maintain social order.
4. Context. The context in which social interaction occurs can significantly impact its dynamics. Factors such as location, setting, cultural background, and social hierarchy can shape the nature and outcome of interactions. 5. Purpose. Social interactions serve various purposes, including establishing relationships, seeking information, resolving conflicts, expressing emotions, and fulfilling social needs such as belonging and affiliation.
6. Diversity. Social interaction occurs across diverse settings and contexts, ranging from informal interactions among friends or family members to formal interactions in professional or institutional settings. These interactions may vary in their level of intimacy, formality, and duration. Overall, social interaction is a fundamental aspect of human behavior and plays a vital role in shaping individuals' experiences, relationships, and societies as a whole. Thanks for watching ARWorld 2020. Subscribe the channel and press on bell icon for updating latest information.